Welcome. In front of me is a Vivo X80 Lite, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have our screen recording toggle. For me it is visible on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. If you're doing this the first time around, it looks like it gives you this garbage terms of service. Let's just select that you agree. And from here we have the options to customize actual quality of the recording. So we have image quality, high, medium, low, and I go with high. Then we have record sound, none, microphone, system, both. Just choose whichever one you want. Display touch marks, meaning it will show a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger is pressing the display. So anyway, we're going to select start recording right here at the bottom. We have this counter right here to let us know how long we've been recording. And luckily we do have something to showcase right here, which is Netflix, the most garbage application that comes pre-installed on a device. Keep in mind that right now I am not signed in. I haven't agreed to whatever this is garbage, so I'm gonna even select reject just to kind of prove a point. I'm still recording, so there is a bunch of content visible right here. Again, I haven't agreed to anything from Netflix. Let's close this and then interact with this overlay right here and select the circle to save the screen recording. Now the reason I picked Netflix is because once I go to the photo application right over here to view the content that I have captured, we can find our screen recordings in the library under, looks like screenshots. There we go. And right off the bat you can see the screen recording, it's already playing. You can also see the little touch input right here. And in a second you'll see Netflix, or well, actually you won't see anything. There we go, that's the actual Netflix running in the background. Also, interestingly enough, you don't get to see me touching the display. Oh no, there it is, there was just a little bit of a dot. So you can see I was scrolling down here to the list, so it records that, but no content whatsoever. Now to explain what is happening right here, let's start off by doing this. Skip. Uninstall app. Go F yourself, Netflix. So what is happening here is basically Netflix is abusing its privileges, what I would consider, as we haven't agreed to anything from Netflix. Therefore, they should have no control over our device. Yet they do, because let's be honest, no corporate thinks that that you have any rights. So they're just kind of encroach on them without any kind of problem. And apparently that's legal. Now, this feature where your screen recording gets blocked is, well, technically a feature of Android, and it's designed for your own privacy and security. Now, giving you a case where this actually is so, let's say that you have some kind of virus in your device that is spying on you, and you go to your bank application. Bank applications, for the most part, utilize this kind of feature. So when you open up the application and put in your PIN, whatever virus that is trying to spy on you and get access to your bank information obviously will not be able to see anything, as they can only see a fully black screen. So you can see how that is beneficial to you. It might be sometimes annoying when you try to capture a screenshot of whatever payments you have made, but all in all it is more secure that way. Now where it doesn't make sense is garbage like Netflix, where neither there is any kind of sensitive information of yours, nor did you ever agree to any kind of terms of service of Netflix, yet they still can do whatever they want on your device and block functionality of your phone without your explicit permission. So yeah. So I do want to point that out. There are other applications that will utilize this as well. So bank applications for the most part use this, and it looks like garbage streaming platforms do that as well. But you will also encounter some other applications that from time to time also utilize this. Whenever you find whatever you're trying to capture, a screenshot or screen recording, you end up with a black screen, just know that that application has the ability to block it. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.